Superbrain Yoga. A simple yet highly effective 5-minute yogic exercise that stimulates energy centers, circulates energy, harmonizes body and mind, and activates brain cells for all ages. Did you know that when a baby is born they have around 100 billion neurons? In a fully developed human there is a complex system of around 300 billion neurons that connect the brain's right and left sides. To make the most of one's brain they need to exercise it just like any other muscle in the human body. Superbrain Yoga is one way to exercise the brain. The Superbrain Yoga exercise works by using the body's energy centers which absorb, digest, and distribute energy to different parts of the body. These primary energy centers are actually major acupuncture points. When done correctly, the exercise can help the energy trapped on the lower energy centers move up through the physical body's other major centers. As the energy travels upwards, it passes through the practitioner's heart center and fills it with feelings of calmness, love, and inner peace. When the energy moves up further into the throat and beyond, the practitioner's intelligence and creativity are improved. When practiced regularly, you will see results in the first 3 months, and in 7 months your child can see improvement in cognitive abilities and averages in school by 20 to 35%. Join the tens of thousands practicing Superbrain Yoga and experience the amazing benefits for yourself and the world. To register, contact nearest pranic healing center in your area. Thank you.